Okay, so if you have 25 grams of potassium sulfate, how many moles, so we've got grams, 25 grams of potassium sulfate, and we want to know how many moles of potassium nitrate did you start with? So the first thing that you actually need to do is to double check to make sure that your equation is balanced. And in this case, our equation is not balanced. So just take a second and balance it and then hit play again. So to balance this guy, you need the coefficients of 6, 2, and 3. So now we can set out to do our stoichiometry. So whenever you're starting in grams, the first thing that you're going to want to use, besides the given, obviously, is you're going to want to get this value into moles. And the way that you do that is to use your molar mass. So the molar mass of potassium sulfate, as stated on the periodic table, is 174.258 grams per mole. And then once you're in moles, you can convert from moles of one substance to moles of another using the mole ratio in the actual chemical equation. So since we have moles of K2SO4 on top, we're going to want to put the 3 moles of potassium sulfate on bottom and the 6 moles of potassium nitrate on top. And so now, since the units in our question match the units that the question is asking for, we can set this up and we can actually cross stuff out. So let's pick another color to cross some things out with here. So our grams of K2SO4 are gone. Our moles of K2SO4 are gone. We can actually simplify the 6 and the 3. So this becomes a 2 and that becomes a 1. And then take the numbers that are left over, plug it into your calculator, and in correct sig figs, you're going to get 0.29 moles of potassium nitrate. Oh, won't let me fit it in there. And that's all you got.